In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on the ChatGPT Data Analysis tool. We'll be going over all the features this tool has to offer and how to use them. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is upload our data by clicking the plus icon to the left of the prompt box, then select Add Photos and Files. Then you need to select the file you want to upload. This is a dataset which contains information about Walmart sales, which I got for free from Kaggle.com. The first thing I'm going to ask is, please can you cleanse this data? Data cleansing is important as it ensures that the data is accurate and consistent. ChatGPT has now come back and confirmed that the dataset has been loaded successfully and listed out all the columns. At the bottom, it has confirmed the result of the data cleansing process, so it has confirmed that there is no missing values, the date column has been converted to date time, there are no duplicate rows detected, and all the data types are correct. Now we have a clean set of data, we can start asking questions to get answers and insights. As this data set is about Walmart sales, if I would like a quick overview of how all the stores are doing, I could simply type something along the lines of, what is the overall average weekly sales across all stores? Within seconds, it has come back with a dollar value for the average weekly sales. If we click the blue icon next to the answer, it will provide us with the Python which was used to get the answer. We can copy this by clicking the button in the top right. Moving on, we're now going to ask something a bit more complex. If we would like to look at trends, I could type something like, how do total weekly sales trend over time? It has now come back with a line graph so we can visualize the trend of weekly sales. At the bottom of the graph, it provides a description of what the graph is showing. We can expand the graph by clicking the two arrows in the top right. If we select the cursor icon, this will make the graph interactive, so if we hover over the lines, it will display information about that particular part of the graph. If you would like to get information about correlations, I can type something like, is there a correlation between fuel prices and weekly sales? It has now come back with a value that states the correlation between fuel prices and weekly sales, which is 0.0095, so essentially 0. As it has not created a graph, I could ask, please could you provide a suitable graph to visualize this? It has now returned a scatter plot, then underneath it explains what it is showing. Again, we can use the cursor icon to make this interactive. Last but not least, I'm going to use ChatGPT to forecast future sales by asking, can we forecast future weekly sales based on historical trends? It has now come back explaining some common forecasting methods, then confirmed if I'd like to go ahead with forecasting for total weekly sales and how long into the future. So I'm going to say, yes, 6 months. It has now provided a forecast chart, and just like before, underneath is a description of what the chart is showing. As you can see, this chart doesn't show too much, but we can ask more questions to get deeper insights. ChatGPT is able to generate a variety of different graphs and charts to visualize your data. This includes line charts, bar charts, scatter plot, correlation matrix, histograms, box plots. These are just a small number of the graphs and charts ChatGPT is able to generate. That's all we have for this video on the ChatGPT Data Analysis tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.